The discrete time system describes by y n x n2 is a. Casual linear time varying, b. Casual non-linear time vary, c. Non-casual linear time invariant, d. Non-casual non-linear time variant. The correct answer is casual linear time varying. A system is stable if rock a. Include the unit circle, b. Exclude the unit circle, c. Lies on circle, d. Entire plane. The correct answer is include the unit circle. The Laplace transform of a unit step function is a1, b1s, cs, d1s2. The correct answer is 1s. The minimum sampling frequency in sample sec required to reconstruct the following signal from its samples wuthout distortion would be a2x103, b4x103, c6x103, d8x103. The correct answer is 6x103. If rock of xn is R1, then rock of an xn is AR1A, BR1A, CAR1, DR1A. The correct answer is R1A. XAXBU is a state equation. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The standard deviation of a set of observations is the RMS value of the deviation from the arithmetic mean. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The function shown in the given figure can be written as a. Sum of two sinusoidal functions, b. Sum of two sinusoidal functions, one originating at t0 and the other at t1. C. Difference of two sinusoidal functions, one originating at t0 and the other at t1. D. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. For formation of state equations, resistance of the circuit A should be in tree, B should be in quadtree, C may be in tree or quadtree, D. None of the above. The correct answer is may be in tree or quadtree. In a communication system, noise is most likely to affect the signal A. At the transmitter, B. in the channel, C. in information source, D. at the destination. The correct answer is in the channel. If the sequence xn1n converges, then the series converges absolutely is A. ratio test, B. root test, C. convergence test, D. divergence test. The correct answer is root test. If XA is the Z transform of KXK, then the Z transform of KXK is A. true, B. false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A system is said to be static system when present output depend upon A. present IP, B. present and past, C. present and future, D. past and future. The correct answer is present IP. The function ftEUTAUTB is A pulse function originating at ta, B. a step function originating at t0, C. an exponential function originating at ta, D. a pulse function originating at ta and duration ba. The correct answer is a pulse function originating at ta and duration ba. If two mutually exclusive events A and B can happen in m and n ways, then either A or B can happen in m n ways. A. true, B. false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If ft is an even function, A. true, B. false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If average correlation between V1t and V2t is R12t and average correlation between V2t and V1t is R21t, then A. R12t R21t, B R21T R12T, C R12T R21T, D none of these. The correct answer is R21T R12T. A stationary process has A. All statistical properties independent of time. B. All statistical properties dependent of time. C. Zero variance. D. Ensemble average equal to time average. The correct answer is all statistical properties independent of time. Algebraic expression for Z transform of Xn is Xz. What is the algebraic expression of Z transform of EJ0n Xn? A. XZZ0. B. XEJW0Z. C. XEJ0Z. D. XZJ0Z. The correct answer is XEJW0Z. The waveform shown in the given figure can be written as A. VT UT1 UT2 UT3 UT4. B. VT UT1 UT2 UT3 UT4 UT5. C. VT UT1 UT2 UT3 UT4 4 UT5. D. VT UT1 UT2 UT3 UT4 4 UT5. The correct answer is VT UT1 UT2 UT3 UT4 4 UT5. The range of values of A and B for which the linear time invariant system with impulse response Hn A n n0 B n n0 will be stable if A 1 B1, B 1 B1, C 1 B1, D 1 B1. The correct answer is A 1 B1. If ft the function ft has only cosine terms, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If a complex voltage wave is applied to a pure inductance, the resulting current wave is much smoother than the voltage wave. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If a function ft is Laplace transformable, then A fte1t dt for a real positive 1, B fte1t dt 0 for a real positive 1, C fte1t dt 0 for a real positive 1, D fte1t dt for a real positive 1. The correct answer is fte1t dt for a real positive 1. In the given figure shows a periodic triangular wave. The Fourier series will have A. All cosine terms, B. All sine terms, C. Odd cosine terms, D. Odd sine terms. The correct answer is all sine terms. If xk is one-sided to the right, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A discrete LTI system is non-causal if its impulse response is A n n2, B a n2n, C a n2n, D a n n2. The correct answer is A n n2. Consider the following as regards cumulative distribution function fx. A1 and 2 only, B1 2 and 3 only, C1 2 3 and 4. D2 and 4. The correct answer is 1 2 3 and 4. A number of impulses spaced from one another form an impulse train. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In a complex wave, the negative half of the wave is a reproduction of the positive half wave. Then, other wave contains only fundamental and third harmonic. B. The wave does not contain even harmonics. C. The wave does not contain odd harmonics. D. The wave does not contain triple harmonics. The correct answer is the wave does not contain even harmonics. If and k0 xz in 1z1 with 1z, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If ft is an odd function, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. Out of the three transforms with Z transform, Laplace transform and Fourier transform, A. All three are used in continuous time domain. B. All three are used in both continuous time domain and discrete time domain. C. Z transform is used in continuous time domain while Laplace and Fourier transforms are used in discrete time domain. D. Z transform is used in discrete time domain while Laplace and Fourier transforms are used in continuous time domain. The correct answer is Z transform is used in discrete time domain while Laplace and Fourier transforms are used in continuous time domain. In the representation Ft, the set of complex coefficient Fn is the frequency spectrum of Ft. A. True. B. False. C, D. The correct answer is true. The integral of Kut is A ramp of slope k, B a ramp of slope 1k, C kt, D. The correct answer is a ramp of slope k. Which one of following is a stataic system? A. yn x n x n1, B. yn x2 n x2 n1, C. yn x n1, D. yn xn. The correct answer is yn xn. The impulse response of the DT LTI system is given below. Check whether the system is A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, D. 1 2 and 3. The correct answer is 1 2 and 3. If RT is autocorrelation of a waveform Vt and R0 is autocorrelation for T0, then A. R0 RT, B. R0 RT, C. R0 RT, D. R0 RT. The correct answer is R0 RT. For the single rectangular pulse of the given figure Fj, A descend d2 d2, A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is true.